Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the series. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, remember to hit the subscribe button. We're moving on to the next episode. Here it is. Y'all enjoy, and I will catch you on the next one. Have a good one. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the videos. I know it's been a little while, got caught up with some work, and now we're back, and we're going to take advantage of the gear rack being flipped upside down. We're going to finish drilling the holes in the top of it. If you know anything about drilling through metal, you want to be able to put all your weight into the handheld drill. That way it'll dig better into the metal and cut a whole lot faster. If you remember from the last video, we welded the wheel brackets onto the bottom of the gear rack while it was upside down. Now that we have it flipped back over, we can get to the back side of the brackets and finish welding them on. Just like I did on top of the gear rack, now that the gear rack is upright, we can drill the holes into the bottom of the gear rack and use our weight to push down into the drill. What looks like me going back and grinding the middle supports again is actually me going back and grinding the outer edge supports that I welded on before this footage. And the battery on the camera died, so I was unable to get that. But as you can see, they welded on nice and pretty, and we're going back and grinding them down. You can also see when I place the board there, they stick out a little bit better, and you can see a little more detail. Here's where I had to cut the end of the board off because the board was not exactly 10 foot as advertised. And then you can see here I'm marking the edge and I'm going back and forth double checking my measurements because I have to cut the outer corner of this board in order for it to fit inside the angle on the ends inside of the rack. You can see here how the two outer boards overhang the edge of the gear rack some, showing you the reference of where it fits inside the angle. There is where I notched it out. Time to place the first carriage bolt into the gear rack, and as you can see, I'm using my electric ratchet to screw the nut on from the underside. Doing the outer edge boards was a little tricky. I don't have a whole lot of woodworking tools, and I had just moved into the shop at the time, so I didn't have a whole lot of tools in general. Just want to point out this is not the safest idea. I'm trying not to do this at home. As you can see, I lifted one side and I did not chop the other side. It's not a smart move, but at the time I was in a rush and did what needed to be done. Like I said, I didn't have a whole lot of tools to lift the other side and chalk it up on some wooden blocks. Now that I've established the shop, trust me, I won't be doing this anymore. Hey y'all, hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, remember to click that little circle button at the top that says subscribe. Help this channel out. It would be very, very appreciated. If you're looking for the next video in the series, click the video to the right, watch this next. If you're looking for something fun, click the most recent video to the left. Y'all have a good one.